تو میں نے کہا جونیئر کو چلتے ہیں کسی دکان پہ کوئی ڈرنکس لیتے ہیں. تو ابھی میں جونیئر کو ڈرنکس لینے جا رہا ہوں دکان پہ. دیکھتے ہیں کوئی ڈرنک ملتی ہے کہ نہیں ملتی ہے. Junior have taken the drinks. What happened, you know, I forgot my phone there. It's an expensive folding phone. And then the shop owner come after me. Like, Indonesian people are very friendly and trustworthy. Literally, I forgot my phone. And then he come after me. I mean, if it was another country, they will say, oh yeah, we got some money. So let's go to our house back. And this is Tangerang. It's a nice city. I can see Rafi. So there's some Rafi. I don't know who is he. This is a very nice city. Assalamu alaikum. So let's go inside the house and then Assalamu alaikum. Nama. Your nama. No nama.